بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. As you all know, we gathered here today to present, to demonstrate our skills, our memorizing power. We have already memorized Mudhakkira, especially in English language. The Mudhakkira including 40 Quranic verses, 40 ahadith, and 40 Sirat questions. So you all are requested, please keep calm, focus on my question, and think for a while, and then answer the question. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Question number first, for the team first, Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anh. The question is, can you tell me which hadith commands believers to be like brothers?
كونوا عباد الله إخوانا. O servants of Allah, be like brothers.
MashaAllah. The next question is, can you tell me a Quranic verse about worldly life?
وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. The worldly life is nothing but a material.
But a material of
delusion.
Of delusion. MashaAllah. The next question is, did Abu Talib, uncle of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accept Islam?
No, Abu Talib didn't accept Islam.
Oh, mashallah. The second round is the question, could you provide a hadith that discusses giving hand and taking hand?
اليد العليا خير من اليد السفلى. The upper giving hand is better than the lower taking hand.
MashaAllah. Then the next question is, could you provide a Quranic verse that prohibits fornication? Could you provide a Quranic verse that prohibits fornication?
Bismillah. وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. Do not even go close to fornication.
Done. Your time ends. The next question is, when did agreement of Hudaybiyah, Sulh Hudaybiyah, take place?
The agreement of Hudaybiyah took place in the 6th year of Hijrah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. The next question is, what does the hadith say about justice between children? What does the hadith say about justice between children?
اعدلوا بين أولادكم.
بين
أولادكم.
أولادكم. In English?
Treat equally between your children.
Treat equally between your children. MashaAllah. The next question is, according to the Quran, in what areas or matters are we prohibited from helping each other? According to the Quran, in what areas or matters are we prohibited from helping each other?
وَإِذَا حَكَمْتُمْ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ أَن تَحْكُمُوا بِالْعَدْلِ.
Think for a while, your time is going now.
وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Do not help each other in sin and aggression.
Oh, mashallah. The next question is, what is the name of the father of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
The name of the Prophet's father is Hazrat Abdullah Raziyallahu Ta'ala.
MashaAllah. My first question to the team Umar bin Khattab, team number 2. The first question is, in which hadith is it taught to treat people well? Your time is going now.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. خالق الناس بخلق حسن. Toward the people, behave well toward the people.
MashaAllah. The next question is, could you share a Quranic verse that emphasizes the unity and holding on to the rope of Allah?
وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold fast together to the cord of Allah and be not divided.
MashaAllah. The next question is, did Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam get any sort of formal education in his society?
No, he did not get any formal education from the society. Rather, he was taught by Almighty Allah.
MashaAllah. The next question is, in which hadith is the command to pray 5 times a day?
Sallu khamsakum. Perform your namaz 5 times daily.
MashaAllah. The next question is, what does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say in Quran al-Kareem about seeking help? How should we seek help?
وَاسْتَعِينُوا بِالصَّبْرِ وَالصَّلَاةِ. Seek help through patience and prayer.
MashaAllah. The next question is, why did our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam choose to migrate to Medina?
Because the people of Medina invited him and promised to unite and support him.
MashaAllah. The next question is, in which hadith is stated that the supplication is kind of worship? Please describe the hadith. In which hadith is stated that the supplication is kind of worship?
الدعاء هو العبادة. The dua, supplication, is a form of worship.
MashaAllah. The next question is it permissible for us to lose hope in the mercy of Allah? Can you share any relevant Quranic verse on this matter?
وَلَا تَيْأَسُوا مِنْ رَوْحِ اللَّهِ. Do not lose hope in the mercy of Allah.
MashaAllah. The next question is, what was the age of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he got married to Hazrat Khadija?
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 25 years old when he got married to Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala.
MashaAllah. The next team, my first question for the next team, Osman bin Affan. The first one is, describe hadith about salam. Describe hadith about salam.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Afshu salam bainakum.
MashaAllah. The next question is, which type of lessons are taught by Quranic verses about entering houses?
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تدخلوا بيوتا غير بيوتكم حتى تستأنسوا. Oh, you who believe, do not enter houses other than your own houses until you have obtained the permission of the inmates those houses.
MashaAllah. The next question is, what is Miraj?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The night when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had called Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam above the skies and met him.
MashaAllah. The next question is, describe the hadith about a person who asks in Allah's name. Describe the hadith about...
If anyone asks in Allah's name, give him.
MashaAllah. The next question is, which Quranic verse teaches about measures and weights?
أوفوا الكيل والميزان بالقسط. Give full measure in full weight in all fairness.
MashaAllah. The last question is, when did the Salah become farz?
At the night of Miraj, Salah became farz.
MashaAllah. The next question is, what does the hadith say about kindness? Rifq.
Inna Allah rafiqun yuhibbu rifqa. Allah is kind and He likes kindness.
And He likes kindness. MashaAllah. The next question is, which Quranic verse advises against walking arrogantly?
ولا تمشي في الأرض مرحا. Do not walk on the earth in haughty style.
MashaAllah. The next question is, where did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lead the congregation of all prophets?
Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam led the congregation in all prophets in Masjid Aqsa.
MashaAllah. All questions have been completed.